Alright, YouTube looks good. Waiting on Twitch. There we go, cool. Alrighty. If you're watching in the future, welcome. Today's gonna be a bit of a different one than I've done in the past. Basically, if you've seen any of the past streams, or just know in general what I'm working on, the CubeMan dialogue is being very frustrating to me. So rather than, hack away at that for like a third, maybe fourth day in a row, and just to get like minimally tiny bit further ahead, I figured, you know what? Let's pivot today and do something a little different. So I'm going to work in Godot. And by work, I mean, like poke around with, because I've never used it, so I don't know how anything works in it. So there's not really much of a plan today. I have like a loose idea of the kind of thing I want to make, but no idea how to do it because I've never used Godot. So that's what we're gonna do today. As I just, don't mind me, I just need to adjust my audio filters a bit. Just so I'm not exploding the mic. I think that should be okay, but I will have to listen afterwards. All right, so right now I haven't actually done anything. Why? Oh, right. Right now I haven't actually done a whole lot. I've basically just opened the scene and made a floor. Um, and that's basically where I left off. So yeah, he's gonna go from here. So let me see, where did I leave off before I started? Here. Playable character, right? Character body 3D. So far, it's much easier to navigate than Unreal, I have to admit. Yep. Character body, and then... Oh! Oh, never mind. No, I didn't rename those. I thought I renamed these two for a second and that they automatically unrenamed themselves, but that doesn't seem to be the case. I'm just stupid. Don't mind me. So what's that gonna be? That's the player. Okay, cool. Okay. Let's see. Mesh capsule and then capsule shape. Spring bone. Oh, wait. Mesh inst. Oh, right, and that was. In the inspector. Oh, right. And what do I want? Capsule mesh, right? Okay. Right, still getting the hang of it. Yep, okay. Capsule, and then what else did I want to add? Another child node to player, collision shape, right. Yeah, and then same thing, capsule. Yeah, okay, cool. Just making sure it all lined up properly. With the naming. Okay, let's see. Like the player node. Look at the top of the scene. Attach script. Okay, actually, wait, hold on. Before I do that, I'm gonna save frequently because, as is, you know, customary with me, I guess. This is a source built version of Godot, and also including the C++ bindings for just native bindings. I don't know what to call them yet. Again, I don't really know what the different things in the editor or like in the engine are yet, but more or less what I'm doing is I'm in this project, and then just within here, okay, that was maybe a stupid idea, but within there you've got like the template C++ stuff that you can, you know, extend yourself. So that's the approach I'm taking, because I like I say always when I'm using Unreal, I prefer to manage my own memory and stuff, so that's what I'm gonna try and do. Although I do kind of want to see how the architecture of the engine works from the editor. So I don't know. I'll have to see. Man, I'm not speaking very clearly today. All right. Okay. It'd be nice. It's not too bad if you just sort of. Oh. I put like the boilerplate stuff into a little like bash function before, just like a few minutes before stream. So that's sort of my solution, which is like quick and dirty and really stupid, but I mean, it seems to work, so I'll take it, I guess. I don't know. I say that, I haven't actually done anything with it yet, so also, why am I... Wait. That was weird. I don't know why I did that. Anyway. So, yeah, I'll see how it is. So far, it doesn't seem too bad. It seems relatively straightforward. There's a bit of boilerplate from what I can tell, though, but that's not too different from my Unreal project. Like, I mean... where was it? Here. It's basically just the same as this method right here, where you just bind all the inputs. So it's really not actually that bad, but it is a little annoying to have to jump through all the hoops just to be able to use the language that the engine is written in for your logic. But hey, at least it supports it, so I'll take it. All right, what was I doing? Right, did those. Select the player. Scene tree hierarchy. Right, attach script. Player, and then where's this thing? Ensure template is checked, and then create template. Oh, that's... Yeah, that's super weird. Why? Whatever. Whatever. Template. Right. Okay. Well, because I haven't written a custom class yet. Okay. Alrighty, let's see here. See, this is the part I've never wanted to deal with about Godot, which is why I've never really used it. I really don't want to learn a new syntax, which I know is super ironic coming from me, who is like a polyglot programmer. Uses like every language under the sun, from Python to Zig to Odin to Gleam to Scala. But at this point, like, the languages just feel like a combination of like this is Go, kind of. This is Python or Rust right there. No, this is Python actually. This is Python. This is Go or Odin. This is Python. Like, it's these are like nothing. These are like C, basically. Like, it's just a mess. Makes it very difficult to keep track of which thing, like which syntax is which. So at least it writes it for me. That's nice. Can't complain too much with that. Okay, so okay, I think it assumes I did more than I did. So how do I assume I would have to move that up, otherwise I'd just spawn in the floor, is my guess, but hey, black current. Oh shit, that's not that's not the current one. Oh fuck. How do I Oh, okay, no, it did work. Perfect. Oh, right, because this whole thing is the scene. I see. These are the nodes. This whole thing is the scene. I see. I see. Okay. That's my bad. So that was fine then. Didn't actually have to freak out. Although, am I missing something? Does not appear to be launching properly. Camera? Where? What? What camera? You didn't tell me to place a. Did it? Did it tell me to place a camera? Oh shit! It did. Whoops. Main child. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Whatever. Got it. Yeah, yeah. Where is it? What? Oh, I see. And then, geez, let's kind of kind of hard to tell. Man, I can't talk today. Kind of hard to tell what. Whoa. Oh, there's a little viewpoint. Oh, that's so nice. The little preview on the side. Oh, that's so good. Oh, that's so good. Nice. Okay, now light. Directional light. Yeah. Ups a daisy. Ups a daisy. I assume I want this way up high and then rotated. Guess 90. Okay, I picked the one axis it doesn't. I'm sorry, what? Did that do anything? Oh, for fuck's sake. There we go. Okay. Jeez, that was a bit of an ordeal, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, let's try that again. I fell through the floor. Did I not set the collision shape? I did that. Collision shape? Collision shape. Why do I fall through the floor? What? Go like, no. Wait. Oh, no. Yeah, don't move that. No, this. Move this. Oh. Okay, well now I'm not falling through the floor, but I can't seem to move. Okay. Can I maybe... Okay, no, I'm still not moving. Oh, that's fair. I guess I should have checked that. Yeah, yep. Yeah. Project settings. Let's see. Input map, show built-in actions. If I just search. No, scroll down. What are they called? Oh, come on. Oh, what? And then what are the... Up, down. And then down. Nope. There we go. Okay. Cool beans. Try it again. There we go. Much better. Okay, cool. Oh. Okay, that one already has space. Good. I should probably check it. Neat. Okay. Okay, so let me think. Here. I'll pick a better playlist while I think. Okay. Okay, so that's kind of all the primitives I would need to make a game, isn't it? I mean, that was super quick, but like... Okay. Neat. See if it has any ideas for me, otherwise I'll just... Ah, okay. No, that makes sense. Huh? What would the clearest way be to show that? Nope. And what's the... Oh, come on. Really? Yeah. This... actually, you know what? I can just use that. Wait, did it? What? What? Yeah, I thought that's what I was supposed to do. Well, you told me to set it up. Hold on. Wait. Also, why? I'm a little... you know what? Godot's still running, right? Yeah, okay. So then this should actually just be test. Okay. Wait, what? No, no, no. Oh. There. Okay, yep, and then... yeah. Well... Oh... I see. So it's literally just... That's so weird to me. Wait, so do I have two different things open right now? Because no, not this. This, in theory, is different from this? These are two different things. If I'm understanding properly. Actually, I know how to... Okay, well... Mm-hmm. Interesting. Okay. So you freaking, okay, so was this the chat that I set it up with? Did I misunderstand it? Oh. I think I just never even pieced together how it actually worked. Okay, so let me fix my script then. Because I can make it do that, I just need to understand that that's what it's doing. So, let me think about this for a second though. Okay, so take that off. No, hold on. That. Wait. Okay, I think that should do it. I think that should do it. Well, luckily I'm not terribly far in, so I can just delete it all. It's not a big deal. Okay, so let's... You know what, it'll probably be easier to just do it this way. So let's go to... Really? Okay, yeah, I guess I could just... Okay, so let's, make sure the right version of the function is loaded. And then, And then this is probably going to take a hot minute. If I'm remembering correctly. Not as bad as building the whole editor, but geez Louise, this is not quick. Let me think. Since this is running, I think it all worked. Because by this point it would have CD'd into the newly renamed directory. It's building it. Then it's gonna CD back out into the source directory. I think it should work. I don't think it should fail by this point, but I suppose I'll have to see. Yep, cool. Okay, so now I should be able to... Yeah, okay. So let's... Oh. Didn't even name it properly. Or call it properly. That's funny. Yeah, that's fine. How do I delete this? Remove. Import from here. Demo? Here? No? No? Eh? Maybe? Huh? Oh, you know what? I did know that. So, I actually noticed that earlier when I was poking around. Whoa! Oh, right. I forgot it was still open. Hold on. Wait, that might explain a lot. Hold on. Let's close this. Let's, Okay, so... Really? Okay, so where is... How do I actually wait? How do I check the... No, that's not it. Oh, right. Okay, I could just do this. Really? Wait. I'm sorry. Am I losing my mind here? Wait, does that go to standard error or something? What the hell? No, what the? Whatever. Actually, can I just... Where's the, thing? Do I really just not have it cloned here? Okay, then I gotta find... I guess I could just... No. Oh, jeez. I swear there's a way to do this. Do I just have them backwards? Yeah, okay. That's what it is. I guess this is what I was trying to do before, huh? Wait. Wait, what the... Wait, why does it have all of them now? What the hell? Wait. Oh, wait. What? I'm so confused. I'm so confused. Wait. I'm so lost. Hold on. Wait. Wait. Oh, stop. Oh. I feel like I'm having an aneurysm. Okay, maybe I don't understand why. Okay. Time to figure out what just happened in my brain. Yeah, okay. I knew it. I knew it. So why? What the fuck happened to mine? Huh? What? What? Huh? What do you mean? Okay, let me think. What happened to the Git structure? Yeah, that's fine. What branch am I on? Okay, I'm still on my branch. So wonder, actually, hold on. Oh, nuts. Okay. No, stop. Okay, which one is which? The CPP template is the one with Patty. Okay. Okay, so that's correct. And then this one should be Nin Torch. Oh, right, because I'm on here. No, I'm not. I'm on here. Yes. Okay, so right. But regardless, this only has the 4.0 branch. So this has the bunch of tags. And this doesn't have any. Okay. But this one should have... No? Oh, you know what? Oh, that's right. Nuts. There we go. Oh, right. So now this should be none. This should be 1. Still doesn't show the other branch, but you know what? Is what it is. Whatever. Okay. What even was I trying to do? I don't even remember. Right. Right. Okay, so... Let's just do this. Okay. 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 Man, that was a crazy roundabout to figure out what just happened. Okay, so now I should be able to just... And then, what was it? Static body. Mesh. Yep. And collision? Was it? No. Oh, right. It was, this, that, box. Nice. And then, was it this? No. This? No. Was it this? No. Nope. Okay, so it's not that. Oh, it was here. Right. Right. Okay. And then it was at a, what, collision body? I'm gonna go with yeah. That's box. Okay. And then we add a player character body. That's what it is. Character body. And then that gets a mesh instance that's a capsule and a collision. That's another capsule. And camera 3D. Oh, this is the wrong way. Hold on. There. And then something like that. Down. Okay, and then last thing was a, what was it called? Directional light? Yeah. And then apparently I did this stupidly last time, so let's just do it properly this time. Okay, so let's save this as short play or, oh, do I have to rebind it? No, there's just no movement. Oh, right, because I haven't, was it? Yeah, okay. And then I have to go back in here. That's a bit annoying. Was it not called action? Oh, accept. My bad. Right, and that one was already set. Okay. Alrighty. Alrighty, cool. Why do I go through the floor? Ah, that's why. How? How? Yep, there we go. Okay, neat. All right, cool. Let me save. Okay, cool. So now, oh, you know what? Oh, geez. Oh, come on. Fine, here. How about... Oh, god damn it. Where's the project file? It's one of them. Go figure, it's under the project directory. Crazy. Okay. Okay, so... Oh, right, I should probably just do that, and then test project. Cool. Alright, so let me just... Yeah, okay, cool. I have to format this real fast. Oh, right, there we go. What is an OS file? Oh, interesting. Fascinating. All right. Okay. Okay, so let me see actually. I wonder. Oh, that's neat. Um, okay. So what is okay. What's this? Is this literally that's interesting. Ugh. Okay. So actually, let me see. Right. Okay, so in theory, if I do something like this and then hit play, I'll be real speedy. Yep. Thanks. Wonder how do I can I go to that? Oh. Interesting. Okay. Um Direction. Interesting. So this is what does normalize do? Oh, interesting. What is the transform basis? Where's that? Yeah, like this. Yeah, I think I got that part. Did I really not see the implementation? So annoying. Isn't the point of it being open source that I can see everything? Isn't that the point? What's control? Okay. Whoops. Yeah, no, this is all the stuff I get. Here we go. This is the part. So oh, well, I guess that's not too bad since the console's just down here. Let me try that. How do I God, I miss my editor already. Did I not? What? I feel like that was I feel like the point of that. Oh, I fell off, didn't I? That's fine. Why did it pop out? Isn't the point To stay in? Isn't that the point? To stay in the thing? How do you make it stay? Am I losing my mind? How do you... Is... We... Wait, under what? Editor... Oh, right. Editor settings. Then... Interface, editor... Interface, editor... Use embedded menu. Game embed mode. Do I need advanced settings for that? Like, what? What? That's... It's not one of the options. Game embed mode. Game embed mode. Embed the game. Okay. This? Is it that? No. Nope. Single window mode. What? I'm sorry, there's a flags section? It's already checked. The button's already checked. Why? Fine. Okay. Okay, that's not too bad. Okay, wait, so... Okay, that axis is that. This axis is that. Okay. Actually, I think I wanted... Yeah, that's what I wanted. Oh, interesting. It doesn't change. Oh, okay. I get it. So those are constant. I see. I see. Oh, what? Oh, interesting. That's a bit weird, but okay. All right. Okay, so okay. Can I clear it? Oh, clear. There we go. Okay. Oh, that's neat. All the stuff right there. That's pretty cool. Okay. Let's see. What else do I want to look at? Oh, interesting. Interesting. Okay. I see. Okay. That's a pretty clever way to do that actually. I like that. Okay. Let's see what else. Can I see this? No. Actually, I'll bet I could if I really wanted to. No. How do I... What is an... Oh, what? What? What is an ink file? And this is not a very good answer. This first one. That's very, very... I mean, it's technically correct. It's just... They did not answer the right question. I'm gonna change my playlist again. Okay, cool. Okay. Okay, so I think I understand all this, so... Ooh, ow. It's not great. Oh well, it's fine. Actually, you know what? That's gonna bug me. The one moment I need to... Oh, actually, you know what? Look at me go. Planning ahead. Just give me a second. There we go. All better. Got a small cut on my hand that was gonna drive me nuts. Well, I guess more on my finger than anything, but either way, it was gonna drive me bonkers, so I just had to cover it real quick. Okay. All right. Yeah. Okay, so let me really quick just see. Let me get out of this. Right. So what are all the files in... Okay, so that is just all of them. Okay, so... Oh, it is source. Okay, cool. So let's do, why did CPP do it wrong? What the hell? Oh, man. Classes, oh. Well, it's fine, actually. Okay, actually, that's fine. Okay. Oops. Read through this in a second. Hey. Oh, you know what? I know why. Do I have to reload it? I forget. That should work. Oh. Right. Right. Okay, give me a second. Okay, let me think this through. Hold on. Or no, not from there. Just see what that does first. Okay. Right. Okay. So... What is the standard in flag? I'm sorry, wait, what? If no arguments are... well, okay. Okay, so... Oh, right, I should have pieced that together from the way it's already written. That's not right either. Oops. Nice. Nice. Okay. Alrighty. Pain. Okay. Okay. Alright, let's take a look. So, constructor, destructor. Can I... No, that's the opposite. Okay. So, safety boundary for the editor workspace. What does that mean? Well, actually, you know what? Before I get too far into reading that, let me make sure it actually builds. Okay. Wait. I didn't touch the new... Oh, boy. How do I... What? How do I add source files? Oh. What? Oh, change type, there it was. And what am I looking for? Yeah, so it didn't compile. Oh, duh. Um, there we go. Okay. So now it should show. What did I name it? Player character, yeah. It did. It did this time. Yeah. No, because I just did it. Yeah, don't make things up. Oh, you know what? That's fair. Oh, inside. This one, right? No. Uh, I... How would I have known that? Okay. Mm-hmm. Should be right here. What does that even mean? Why is it... It is saying that, right? Double precision binary. Huh? Huh? Yeah, no, I know what... Yeah, that's weird. What the... Why do they do that, then? Am I having a... Like, am I losing my mind? What the... What? I know how... Why would... It does. It does, though. It does. Yeah, it does, though. So then why? No, stop. That makes no sense. That's... There should be one editor. What do you mean if you design the engine? It's literally open source. I will, though. I don't believe you. Why? Okay, for those, they should not even be using... You don't use floats for that stuff. You used a 4-byte integer. Yeah, that shouldn't even be a conditional check. No. That's a pretty funny answer from the computer, I'm not gonna lie. So then why am I in this scenario? I don't recall using precision double. I literally. What was it? Target. Oh, wait, really? What was it called? Come on, just template debug, that's what it was. Oh boy, this is messy. Okay. You know, at this point, I'm gonna close this because I haven't done anything in it in a while. And I just keep going back and forth here. Okay. So, what am I looking for? And then GDExtension, extension API. Oh. It's extension API. How long is this thing? Oh boy, it's really long. Oh my god. Okay, I yeah, no, it just doesn't set that anywhere. Actually, you know what? Hold on. I can what is it? Okay. Oh boy. Okay, let's try that. Oh, whoops. That's my bad. Oh. Oh, I have to unwrap it twice. Can I just, actually, can I do this? No. Okay, we're getting there. What do you mean? Oh, what are they? It's no. Properties. I don't even know why I'm bothering. Look, it's literally like 300,000 lines. Can I do it again? No. Okay. Maybe. Nope. Okay, built-in class sizes. I guess I'll just use this. And what do I want? Built-in class sizes. Oh my god. It's gonna mention multiple. Oh, interesting. Oh, no, that makes sense. That just shows all of the things. God. Huh? Uh... Okay. I don't know, it looks pretty similar to me. Okay, so that's just all the logs I had. That's not it. I don't even remember what the issue was anymore. What? What even was the problem? Okay. This is what it says is the problem. I mean, it sure looks like 64-bit. Am I missing something? Okay, so it just made that up. And I should have just read it from the beginning. What? Hello. Oh my god. Don't mind me. Just losing my mind. course, of course. Although this one led me on a particularly bad chase after nothing, which wouldn't be so bad if I wasn't working in an engine I've never used. So I have no idea where to look. What am I even asking? Sorry. I just have a bad habit of mumbling. But might also be able to do that. There. Hopefully that'll work. There literally isn't anything yet. Get rid of that. Oh my fucking god. This. I have this stuff. Okay, there we go. Thank you. Finally something useful. Do I already have that? Probably. Yep. Already had it. That... Okay. What? Fine. Fine. Nothing. I mean, I literally am just messing around in the editor. Or the engine. I'm not really working on anything. Because I just needed a break from my real project that's in Unreal. Because I've been banging my head against the wall for too long. And by too long, I mean like 2 days. So I'm just taking a little break doing this. Oh, I do have a bind methods. Great. Oop. Give me 1 second. Alright, sorry about that. There we go. Alrighty. Yeah, so nothing in particular right now. I'm just basically figuring out how the engine works. I'm not really well, shouldn't say not really. I am becoming a game developer, but I'm not really experienced at it, but I am an experienced programmer. So right now I'm just sort of digging into the engine code and the native C++ bindings for Godot, because I prefer handling my own memory. But as you're seeing, being a bit of a pain right now. Like, it's... wait, not that. It's literally closed. The editor process is closed. It's not even open. It's gone. It's not even there. There's no way that's right. I mean, this might be right. This could actually be correct. But you know what? Fine. Fine, I will try that. Where do I need to run that from? Right there, it says float 64. Oh. As I hate all games, including programming, usually just have... Well, that's quite the can of worms you're opening up there. I mean, unless you're literally writing bare metal on the hardware, there's always going to be a layer of abstraction underneath what you're doing. I mean, you just got to pick how much of it you're okay with. For me, I like writing system stuff, so I use C, C++, Zig. But I'll still use, like, Unreal because I don't want to implement the stuff that they already handled for me. Because that's a lot. That's a lot, and it's very mature at this point, so, like, why would I bother writing my own? I know I can't do it better. So that's cool though. You're simulating 90s hardware. Interesting. Any reason in particular? Or just feel like it? Whoops. That's fair, I guess. That's pretty fair. I do appreciate some retro stuff myself. My actual game that I'm doing. Hang on, I'll deal with this in a second. My actual game that I'm working on for real in Unreal is actually retro style, like PS1, like GameCube era. Sort of like the realm of like if you've ever played or seen those like licensed games, like movie or TV show games, like the early Harry Potter ones, Scooby-Doo, Night of 100 Frights, SpongeBob, Battle for Bikini Bottom, Pac-Man World 2, those kinds of things. So like that's basically what I'm targeting. So I like retro stuff, but well, that's pretty neat. Although actually now thinking about it, I might push back on that. A hacking game with modern security software would be no fun. I I don't know really what you mean by a hacking game, but if it's what I think would be, then like going up against modern security systems, it would be a hell of a boss fight, I gotta say. But I don't really know what you have in your mind, or like what like the how it looks in reality. What's I what? There are no warnings. Everything is already there. Yeah, I know. I just built it. Where'd my editor go? Oh. I just built it. I just built it. I have a feeling it's just pointing in the wrong direction. Like, I have a feeling it's just pointing me in the wrong direction. Whoa, that's a big message. Oh, I see. I see. Okay. I had the opposite in mind. I assumed you were building like you were trying to defend against the hacker, not that you were the one doing the breaking in. Okay, I see. Okay, then that makes a lot more sense. That's just a quality of life thing then. That makes more sense. That's pretty cool then. Okay, let me see. I Okay, project settings. Um, um, oh, duh. Okay, then what? Did I call it example? Oh, right, from here. Huh? Yeah. Yeah, that's pretty low level stuff. I applaud you for digging into it, but that's some real deal stuff right there. I there Did I call it example? Thank you very much. Much appreciated. Ah, thank you as well. Yeah. That's fair. The most I've dug into that kind of stuff is compilers. So I have I have this like little kind of language. I don't know, I kind of stopped halfway through. Right now I think no, this is an old one. Yeah, there we go. So right now it just outputs the opcodes it does from the test, which I think is from, you know what, actually. Which come from here, which are basically just the raw instructions being pushed. And then like doing some basic things. So like, these test functions, loops, stuff like that. Oh my god, the beginning is the worst. The beginning is the absolute worst. Right. Yeah, I got that. Can I see it? Did I not try that before? I looked at this. This is where the single and double came from. Why? Yeah, well, it doesn't work very well, does it? Oh my god. Like, what? So... Open the registration... Open the registration file? What the f... What? 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 Which one was that? Oh, wait, no, that was right. No, it wasn't. Is it not this one? Here, it's this one. Okay. I see now. Okay. I do have some experience with, actually, if you want to see one of my messiest projects, I tried writing an AST node-based formatter for C and C++ in Rust, and it's right now it's around 8,500 lines. Actually, do I have? Yeah, 8,500 lines, 8,419 lines, and It's literally just a giant, or not this one, hold on. It's literally just a giant traversal of the graph, the node graph. This one file is like 4,000 lines. So yeah, no, I have a little experience with Rust, but nowadays I prefer Zig. Zig is super cool. If you haven't tried it, I highly recommend Zig. Or Odin. Odin's pretty fun too, but Zig is really, I like Zig a lot. Okay. I see it now. So I would have to include my... Here. Oh. Oh, okay. What line was that? 10. Huh? Oh, here. I don't know where I got line 10 from there. Then, do I have to do it anywhere else? That means it's not well designed yet. I'm sorry to say. Zig is extremely frustrating, but it is like exactly how a computer works. So if it seems painful, you might not be targeting hardware properly. So maybe go back to the learning stage there. That's why I like Zig so much. It is super painful, especially because it's unstable right now. That's the annoying part. Like the IO one was the really big one. Like I have a clipboard daemon that might not be running right now. It's not. But it's a clipboard. Why is it cut off on the side like that? It's kind of weird. Whatever. I'll fix it another time. But anyway, I have a clipboard daemon where let me just get something. Oops. There we go. So then it can grab like multiple things like that. Oh, you know what? I don't think I did that right. Yeah, there we go. So you can do that on Linux because there wasn't a great solution for it. And this was written in Zig, but it was written in Zig 14 point whatever the stable one of that is. Oh, 0.14.1, that's what it is. And that was before the IO rewrite, so I haven't gotten around to doing the buffered IO yet, but I'm really not looking forward to it when I have to, because this is a very obviously IO heavy project because it's a clipboard daemon. But yeah, no, I get it. It's manual, but that's why I love it so much. Okay, so you're telling me well, then you're not learning real memory management. You're learning the borrow checker. Rust hides a lot of stuff from you. Write it in assembly. Then you'll really understand the hardware. I'm not joking either. I'm dead serious. Write it in assembly. Roller Coaster Tycoon can do it. You can do it. Plus, I'm pretty sure Rust compiles to assembly natively, so you can just literally see what it's spitting out already. So go do some of that. And then, you know, then maybe take another look at the memory management stuff. Okay, so now if I'm to understand this correctly, I might need to reopen the editor. I probably, do I need to reopen the editor? Let me check, actually. Yes. Which assembly? There it is. Yep. There we go. Now, is this gonna explode? I feel like this might explode. x86 Intel syntax. Okay. It's pretty neat. Pick up some like ARM or something. Oh, the collision still works. Beautiful. Okay, so I will admit I don't I don't love how hard it is to tell how high it is. I don't love that there's no shadows. I can't tell how high the thing is. I do think that's actually, wait, is there a way I can make this mesh cast a shadow from the light? How would I do that in Godot? Okay, mesh instance, inspector panel, geometry section. Oh, okay, so that's just oh. Oh. Okay. Yep, that'll do it. Oh, there we go. Beautiful. Look at that. Oh, that's handy. Oh, that's so nice. Wait. Why is this 0? What? Shouldn't this be 0? Or like, whatever. Is there a way to snap it down? Can I... see here. Oh, okay, that does something. Well, that snaps it to something. Can I, how do I, is there a way to turn on the grid? Or a grid view? Um, oh. Well, that's not what I thought it meant by floor. I mean, I guess. I mean, you do you, man, but I was gonna say, like, yeah, I took like one look at the instructions. Like, just a small subset of them of a oh god, what is the, it's not Risk, it's the other one. Complex, the complex one. Is it CISC? Yeah, I took one look at that instruction sheet and went, nope. Nope. I can hardly, and by hardly, I mean not really, but like I've sort of glanced at it once or twice, understand Risk. Kind of. Almost. So yeah, no. Complex? Nah. I've no desire to learn that nonsense. Unless I absolutely have to. And even then, honestly, I'd probably still just use the reduced, the reduced set from within the complex set. Unless it'll really hurt performance, but... That's true, but it also means you're not going to be able to run it on anything else. That's like the nice thing about a reduced set, is it'll run on things. And won't crash the OS. Okay, that's much better. Well, honestly, that's not bad. One day, first day of looking at an engine. I want, actually, you know what? How can I? Oh, right. Oh. Wait, really? No, not. Oh, that's so neat. Look at that. Hey, that's pretty nifty. All right, cool. Alrighty. Hard doubt on that one. Gonna go with big hard doubt on that one. All right. You know, I think I'll probably call it there. This is when I was about to end anyway. Since today's only my half day stream schedule. Well, I meant servers more so, but yeah, phones too. That's a good point. All right. You know what? I can Okay, all that should be safe, right? Does this have a... Does. That's not right. How do you... How do you remove it? Oh, that's how. Okay. Cool. Yeah, that's fair. Yeah, that is fair. I'm messing with you now. Yeah, most servers are gonna run x86 Linux. I mean, I guess it might use FreeBSD, but I'm pretty sure most servers on Earth, like a good 70 to 90% of them, use Linux. I'm almost certain of that. And most, to be fair, most of them are x86, unless it's for like certain IoT stuff or like certain embedded devices. But yeah, no, servers run Linux, not Windows. um, Alrighty. Cool. And then this isn't really... I actually really don't care what happens in this project. So, alright, cool. Alright. That's all I was gonna do for today. So I'm gonna leave it here. If you ever want to see me stream again, I have a schedule. It's on my website because Twitch doesn't let you do a non-recurring schedule, and that's what mine is. So, if you want to stop by again, this will be when I'm here. But otherwise, that's where I'm gonna leave it for today. Hope you enjoyed. Hope to see you again sometime.